Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another card using elements from the Meaningful Flowers August 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I've got one of the card bases that I've cut down. I've got one of the die cuts from the kit. Other than that, it's all elements from my shelf. I'm using a piece of lemon lolly cardstock and a piece of 5 1/4 by 4 from the Bright and Beautiful Designer Series paper that's going to go over top. I've used the a card to say hello from the Sending Smiles, and also used the die to cut it out from the Sending Smiles. So it's going to be a super simple card, almost looks a bit vintage. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to, excuse me, just flat mount this to the front of the card, lining it up and then dropping it down like that. Okay, and then I'm going to dimensionalize the flowers here, and this will go down at the bottom here. So let's just attach this down. I love the yellow and the blue together. So we're just going to pop this down, relatively centered. Then we're going to take the ribbon, and this, I think in the last video I said it was Daffodil Delight. It's Lemon Lolly ribbon as part of the 3-pack that's available with Bubble Bath and Azure Afternoon. So I've dimensionalized, I put small dimensionals on the back because I'm going to pop this over top of the other piece that's already dimensionalized, so the ribbon will stay in place. And then I've also got dimensionals on the greeting, just the small ones, and we're just going to pop this down at the bottom. I just want to make sure that I'm centered on the card, and then I can line it up like that. So that is the front of the card, and I want to put the Forget-Me-Not piece in the middle. I'm actually going to put it on the back of the inside so that you can still write on this side, but I wanted the meaning of the flower to be on the card as well, because the meaning of the flower is to remind us of the people that we love, and basically a wish that they are also remembering us. So the sentiment, a card to say hello, really ties in with I remember you, I love you, and I'm glad to have you in my life. So thank you so much for watching this really super quick but super pretty alternate card, and stay tuned for more.